Hi everyone, it's your man of the hour, Alex the Booktuber, back at it again. And for tonight, I'm going to be unboxing a brand new book that I just got in the mail earlier this morning. So I cannot wait to see what it is. I got Janitors School of Garbage, Book 2, Trials of the Trash. So far, I love this cover. I can see some kind of monster bunny, a monster frog, and some kind of mutant bird or something. And I'm going to check the page count in here. And I think the book has around 304 pages, unless you count the reading guide, which takes you to a total of 306 pages. And I think this book's pretty cool. And I cannot wait to read this pretty soon. And if you guys think this is a good book series that I could recommend, if so, then go smash that like button if you think this is a good idea. If so, then I think you're all amazing bookworms and book lovers and amazing book shepherds of the universe. And I love you all so much from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you're all doing really well too. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you don't forget to go like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications for when you want to see my next video pretty soon. I hope you all have a good Labor Day weekend. And I will see you all in another video. Bye!